February. 1 month is past, another is begun, since merry bells rang out the dying year, and buds of rarest green began to peer, as if impatient for a warmer sun. And though the distant hills are bleak and dun, the virgin snowdrops, like a lambent fire, pierce the cold earth with its green-streaked spire. And in the dark woods, the wandering little one may find a primrose. February 1st, 1842. Hartley Coleridge.
All right. Look, everyone. No one gave Mother Nature the memo. Uh-oh. It snowed 2 days ago. Oh, well. We'll see what happens. These are orange daylilies. So we shall see. What's going on, Red? Cooper, don't eat chicken poo, please. Cooper, don't do it. Hi. Hi, come here. A little rough? Oh, you want to get petted, but you're scared to ask. I can see. Uh-huh. I know how it is. I know how it is. Koopy, don't eat chicken poo. You're going to get sicker and sicker. Silly goose. Koopy, don't do it. Koopy, don't do it. Keep moving forward. Koopy, don't do it. Koopy, don't do it. Garg! Dogs to the front of me, chickens to the back. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. How fun is that? Okay, so I'm just here taking some pictures of these cool mushrooms. But I thought you guys might enjoy the fuss going on behind me. Apparently I'm in trouble for something. I don't know what. May I be of assistance to you? Whoa! You kind of feel like you guys are short on something or you need something. What's happening? Huh? What's going on? Oh, you guys have been being... Oh, you left a little frostbite on your little noodle there. What's going on? Cooper, you're not eating chicken poo, I hope. Hi, Red. What's going on? You looking to get patted? Yeah. No, don't you come pecking me because I'm patting her. She's not your chicken. That's right. You're my chicken, silly goose. Come here. I'll give you a pat. You don't have to be jealous. Come here. Come on. You know you wanna. That's our walk today, huh? They're coming for me, eh? What did I do wrong, I wonder? Oh, look. Dave's chicken, which is a lot less hassle than mine. It's just doing its job. Out here, I got some stuff to pick up in the chicken coop. I apparently have given them treats and not cleaned up after myself. But I have a plan. See, I usually have my hammock up there, but since the property next door is being developed, after 20 years, sorry, I know it's their property and they can do what they want, but I can still not like it. So I think I'm going to move my hammock to this spot here, attach it to the cherry tree, and then have it come out. And then I'll be hidden on all angles. See, look, oh, they're coming down here now. What did I do? What's going on? And I also wanted to perhaps move my composting area more into this chicken area so they can work directly, you know? Anyway, we're gonna go in here and pick this stuff up. I think that what they just want is to come out into, no, see, look, you guys have so much grass and stuff up there, and yet you want to come out here. Look at this, isn't this neat? Mushrooms. Little mushrooms. Honestly, everything grows around here like that. It's just crazy. Alright, I'll pick that stuff up. But look at this even. It's doing it too. And this just got dumped here last year because we didn't really have anywhere else to put it or a need for it because they're everywhere, those orange lilies. Look, see? It is definitely telling me that we need to cultivate some mushrooms around here so that we can eat them. Don't you think? There's quite an abundance growing already. So, okay. Is someone pecking me in the bum? Did you just peck me in the bum? I mean, what do you even do about that, I wonder? You're gonna get pecked in the bum. Guess you just take it. I don't know. Anyway, this is a really cool tree. And there's even those mushrooms growing up there. You hear those cheeky girls in the background. Cheeky girls. Yeah, this old tree has been around a long time. I mean, we've been here 20 years, and it's been here at least that long. It was a full-size tree when we moved in. It's even had a baby. What is going on? I don't know.